First, the top news headlines. UCM demands Manipur titular King Leisemba Sanajawa to quit title. More still taints. HTC demands removal of police commandos from the town. And 218 Indians from coronavirus hit Italy land in Delhi will be quarantined for 14 days. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. United Committee Manipur UCM today demanded that the titular king of Manipur, Leisemba Sanajawa, announce his kingship if he has to join the Indian electoral politics. Leisemba Sanajawa has been fielded as BJP candidate from Manipur for the March 26 Rajya Sabha election. So, stay of the king will destroy the over 200 years of long ancient history of Manipur. UCM President Sunil Karam told media at the committee office in Imphal. He criticized the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949, saying the people have rejected it. Sunil claimed that joining Indian electoral politics by the titular king is an attempt to complete the unfinished Merger Agreement 1949. He went on to say that it is an attempt to eliminate the indigenous people of the Northeast, particularly Manipur.
Government of India na huzik chathariba Delhi gi akhoi subnam sasang gi lanlawa chida akhoi North East ta amasu Manipur da laiba yellow mi natraga magi chanabi kanglon lengak lon che muthatna bagi asuma pambai amada masigi ningthol lesen ba Sanajawa sina electoral politics sanction gi bechina hena government akhoi Delhi gi charau langchida thugi dana hena kudong saba mo lawa oigani aduna maramar kana Manipur miyam gi apun bagi orakanda aikoi into Leisemba Sanajawa na tawriba phiyam singche karam mana phage habse option khan biu aduga ningthau su kubam su paigani aduga electoral politics su chatkani haiba poche namung na boponi makal ani se masi punamak akoi animak punna chatpa haidum di yaroi habse United Committee Manipur gi bafam ji thamjari.
UCM Secretary General Khuraijam Athau also expressed strong displeasure over the move of titular King Leisemba Sanajawa. He claimed that the center and state government have taken political advantage by choosing Leisemba Sanajawa as BJP's nominees from the state for Rajya Sabha election. He demanded that the king quit his title before entering into Indian politics in the interest of the people of Manipur.
People masida India government na masi tawdaba yade have mataw moina tawshalaiba maram se moida yam hatubagi maram ama lai se masi ekoi gi paliba Manipur gi government gi soiba lei ngasai ekoi mamangda ekoi haijari duni ningthau gi awar palere ningthau phibam chadre ningthau gi magi phangbam thokpa magi respect honor dignity do mangkhre na hariba se Govindaji Temple Board Sri Govindaji Temple Board na magi makutta Manipur gi assembly na wareb lawra sinakriba se low pari chamaga marfu gi mathakne low pari chamaga marfu sigi chairman oibse ningthau no oigani hadana matamudu gi ningthau da oigani hana assembly na wareb lawga yanaki ba por do ngasi di Govindaji Temple Board chairman se Manipur gi chief minister no oira kanda ningthau buna intho ga thambane aduna low pari chama marfu se akoina pikna paraga hotpa matamda chahi amada lupa crore 13 ki phau cheng kakhale ana adumba magi phangmam thokpa madugumba magi leibam thokpa asset mayam dagi generate tawjagada income sing ado ngasi loina thadat pirakanda paisa na leibi yaroidaba kubam paisa na leibi yaroidaba miyam gi kai khumnaba paisa na leibi yaroido lebak asigi apunbagi saktam ado identity ado madubu ngasi MP gi adung lupa crore 5 ki phanna duna maram oiraga yontho kanda India gi parliament da phamurage haibase masigi warebasidi ma masa ningdau oibada matik charaktaba manba phibam mama lai maram masina matik chaba mi mada sinabira kanda maana MP wena chatkibada Manipur miyamna karamta na thingba moy aduna chachakho kaisu kaide haibase masi koi United Committee Manipur gi mai kaidigi madum su thamjage.
President of Hill Tribal Council More HTC Joseph Jenkosai has demanded that Manipur police commandos should be removed from border town More. Joseph condemned the imposition of Section 144 in the town by the authority. He expressed discontentment against the Tengnoupal District Administration for invoking CRPC 144 in More, saying the matter could have been discussed peacefully.
Problem thokbudu kramaina thokbuno tasing badu thi thokpiu adaga lanliba mi khoidu terminate to thokpiu aduga loinana commandos si morida leirima makai ekoi gi peaceful atmosphere di haiba yadre maduna commandos su lo thokpiu ekoi na ban tori bisdi democratic agitation ni ekoi na ate kai thokan loy maduda ekoi na pambadi सरकार ना attention पीरगा एक leader का उन्नरगा हंदा की थोथोक से क्रमाई ना तोरगा तो खंसरा है बिसी लंबी रोम से द चिंचिंग ननबगी दमक ता तोबगी वाने.
Meanwhile, village chief of El Fulchong village, Tongkokpa Hokip, has also demanded the Manipur government to remove police commandos from More. Tongkokpa appealed to the concerned authority to bring a solution to the current stalemate. On the ongoing indefinite More ban, Joseph said that emergencies health sector examination will be exempted from the purview of the strike.
Numisida Mr. Mamilin Totang, Amasung Kaimang Totang si Gari Kalda Lapakarisu, Pubanate, Masagi Garida Laga, Moreda, Samkake Hanalapa mi anini. Masi Ma Hangla Gatobanina, Masi Commando Todosi, Equi Public Supia Yaroy. Yaning Dre, Moreda Liba Yaroy, Ebisi, Equi latest colony.
More town is still tense, reports said. Tengnoupal District Administration imposed CRPC Section 144 for 1 month yesterday in More in view of the law and order situation in the town bordering Myanmar. Some people, including one police commando, were injured during a violent scuffle that took place on March 13 in front of More Hospital. Reports said the incident occurred after a team of More commando near More integrated checkpost stopped two civilians coming into a two-wheeler for frisking and checking. Superintendent of Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border W. Basu Singh yesterday clarified that in pursuance of Home Department Government of Manipur's decision to seal border gates along Indo-Myanmar, a team of More commando were posted near Sejang village for intercepting illegal activities in the area, during which a Maruti Swift Desire with registration number WB02AF3805 with tinted glass coming from Holland 5 village was asked by the commando team to stop for verification. But instead of cooperating, the occupants in the vehicle tried to drive away, following which the team commander chased the vehicle. Upon interrogating the occupants of the vehicle, driver and co-driver started attacking the commando personnel. The SP also maintained that the move held the commando personnel captive inside the room of More Hospital, and then a crowd turned violent there and started attacking the personnel. One commando personnel was injured in the incident. ASP Basu informed that an FIR has been registered in connection with the incident and urged all people who were involved in the incident to surrender before the police. More than 230 people were also brought back from Iran, another epicenter of coronavirus, earlier in the day. They were then taken to a quarantine facility of the Indian Army in Rajasthan, Jaisalmer. According to a media report, a special flight of Air India carrying 211 Indian students and 8 other passengers who were stranded in the coronavirus hit Italy after flights were cancelled, landed in Delhi on Sunday. Union Minister of State for External Affairs B. Muralidharan said the flight, which had taken off from Milan on Saturday, carried 218 Indians, including 111 students. They will be shifted to Indo-Tibetan border police camp in Chawla area of the capital. All will be quarantined for 14 days. The government is committed to reaching out to Indians in distress, wherever they are, the minister said. And now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam lamjingbatomtv Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBA ni. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamorol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawiyo.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumza listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fum na tabang ngam dabi awaba mayok na dibna al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic tang simak lengsin direktuna completely invisible water resistant ama rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangal wala badom gi khangna chana ba single powers tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009544159.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 180010275959 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back. 3 family members were injured when a newly constructed house caught fire last evening at HARIPRIYA Tulihel Awang Lekai. The incident happened around 7:15 p.m. according to a report. A short circuit was believed to be the cause of the fire, which destroyed the house. Properties worth rupees 60 lakh were destroyed in the blaze. The house belongs to one Makakmayum Hussain Ahmad. Hussain and his 2 daughters received minor injuries during the fire. 2 fire tenders from Thawal Fire Service assisted by the locals doused the fire. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM has accused the BJP-led government in Manipur of luring titular King Leisemba Sanajauba into politics. Addressing the media at PPCM office at Wahengbam Lekai, committee advisor M. Purnimasi criticized the state government over fielding the royal family member as BJP candidate from Manipur for the March 26 Rajya Sabha polls.
Sing na khoi na yam na ikai khumna ba useraga konung asibu kanjaraganda ning tambagi phirang lama khak konung manung da paijari ba sina lengdi makhai di Manipur se leng ning kha tam lai pa amani haidana khoi na atopa mi gi mafam da country sing da khoi na chau thok jabagi polam khak thamjaba se mang hinabagi masak amakhak hoji oirakle tasengna ma masi singchep thaba pot amani hainai thamjaningi.
The office of Manipur People's Party MPP and all regional party will be reopened on March 28. MPP interim president L. Apabi informed this to journalists at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. It may be recalled that MPP Central Committee removed O. Jugindro from the post of president on February 17 for violating Clause 2 of Article 25 of the party constitution. The Central Committee had said Jugindro misused party fund amounting to around ₹6 crore. Apabi claimed there is simmering resentment and division among supporters of Jugindro. The MPP leader said the party office will be reopened on March 28, following which a meeting of the Central Committee will be held in order to strengthen the party organization. In this regard, the party has already submitted an intimation letter to the DGP of Manipur Police, he informed.
कोर्ट के केस ngairaga party mut ko doi saruk pudi koi sangjal laga office thi jana run torga Manipur People's Party se amtang kanba aduga lebak miyam gi thabak toba aduga koi gi hujik leiriba social issue mayam Manipur gi tangai phadana hoi tahok ta baya da lahok ta baya da lahok ta baya da issue mayam je hoi naina minara kanda hoi praja mayam gi mateng loina na Manipur People's Party se amung tang hoi kanji haiba phirep tu da ngasi press se hoi kaujabani.
A state-level speech competition on unemployment problem was held at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Imphal today, organized by Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee, MPYCC. Committee President Mahananda Singh Nunglekpam, Indian Youth Congress National Secretary in charge Manipur, Sarifa Rahman, and former MPYCC President Amir Hussain attended the program. 10 individuals took part in the competition. Mahananda Singh expressed concern over the problem of unemployment in India. He said that Manipur faces huge unemployment problem and that the competition was organized to find ways to tackle this issue.
Register Tories Lactere Kilifu Mapan Katani, other Toriba Mams at Pangi Habanate, Sigi Samasaze, Dum Chehi Kuding Yamgu Hengale, Naharon Zedum Magibasic Yamkale. At the Masiku Samasaze, Kamain Toxiki Hadana, Akway Naharon Saitagi, Kenum Policy Potopio, Sarkarna, Carmine Tokdana Naharon Singh Tapupido, Sarkagi Tabuk to Wakatana Tabak Nate. Sidakoi Policy Yapio, Industry Puraga, Naharon Singh Mama Tamiba. Si tabak wine PC ge eme koi Manipur da eme kongaya mani PhD kongaya mani yum da tali oja khara oili.
A one-day poetry recitation program was held at the Hindi Parisat Hall at Old Assembly Road, Imphal today, organized by Cultural Forum Manipur. 100 poets took part in the program. Convener of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Saitya Parisat, North Delhi, Nongmaithem Kiran Kumar Singh, and President Professor Hurem Bihari Singh attended even as main guests. Legal Aid Clinic Hairok and Youth Brilliant Club YBC Hairok Part 3 in collaboration with District Legal Services Authority DLSA, Thoubal today observed the World Consumers' Rights Day. Pradhan of Hairok Gram Panchayat Part 3 Ning Thousam Tangba, Front Officer of DLSA Kaidem Bobita, President YBC Hairok Elangbam Jugo, and Ward Member Laishram Dayarani shared the dice as Presidium members. The program was held under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, ADR Lamphil. Advocate KH Lembisana Meiding spoke on role of consumers in the society, while Advocate KH Jeton Meite spoke on Consumers Protection Act 2019 and its salient features as resource persons. The Centre has withdrawn the decision of providing Rs 4 lakh ex gratia to the families of those who died of coronavirus. The move came just as after the Centre had made the announcement yesterday that it would be providing the monetary assistance per deceased person, including those involved in response activities, subject to certification regarding the cause of death from appropriate authority. The central government, keeping in view the spread of COVID-19 virus in India and the declaration of COVID-19 as a pandemic by the World Health Organization WHO by the way of a special one-time dispensation, has decided to treat it as a notified disaster for the purpose of providing assistance under SDRF, according to media reports. Under the Disaster Management Act, the state's UTs can now draw funds from the State Disaster Response Fund, in addition to the funds from the state government and the NHM. As per reports, the centre will no longer bear the cost of hospitalization for treatment either. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases across India increased to 93 today. And now let's have another short break.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling, For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Senior for Senior Care Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahangba form khara kaujari masida masagi sahi kunthra mangargina yankhai manga fawgi manungda leiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani on job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari masida saruk yabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jennings Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiyu.
Welcome back. Environmental Force on Grassroots Level and Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association organized a bird watching program at Langtang village of Ukhrul District yesterday. The program was participated by students of St. Joseph College, Ukhrul, and members of Enfogel and UDWJA. Enfogel President Young Saija said that the practice of observing birds in their natural environment is a citizen science which helps people to connect with nature. Saija said that the aim of this bird watching program was to connect with the people with nature at the closest level without harming the natural atmosphere. He added that it is also a campaign on conservation and preservation of wildlife amidst massive hunting and poaching practice. So far, Enfogel has identified 50 different bird species in Langtang village area, including migratory and local birds, he said. A combined team of Imphal West Commando, Women Police and 16 Assam Rifle arrested 2 arms smugglers from Khonghampat, a criterium on the outskirts of Imphal last afternoon. The arrested have been identified as Kenga Mather Maring, aged 52 years, and his wife, Singlai Awon Tangkul, aged 42 years, from Karo Kunau in Tangnopal district. 2 9mm pistols and 1 pistol silencer were recovered from the duo, a police report said. In follow-up action, one of their associates, Jangmai Hau Kibgen, also known as Haufo of Govajang village, was also arrested by the same team from Sekmai Nongthombam. 1 alto car and 1 mobile was recovered from his possession. Jang Mai Hao disclosed that the weapons were smuggled by him from Myanmar 1 week back before handing them to Kenga Mather Maring. The seized weapons were supposed to be transported by 1 Tau Khu Sema to Dimapur, the report said. All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen Union Manipur drank tributary of Nambol River in Loktak Lake to mark International Rivers Day yesterday. Nambol flows through the heart of Imphal city and it is one of the main perennial resources of water for the Loktak Lake. There is a sharp decline in the number of foreign tourists to Kaziranga National Park (KNP) in Assam due to coronavirus outbreak across the globe. According to a statement by park officials, stated that the tourist inflow, especially foreign tourists into the national park, has recorded a decreasing trend after the government issued advisory to avoid non-essential travel due to the rapid spread of coronavirus. An awareness meeting involving all stakeholders, including the hotels, resorts, restaurants, were organized on March 13 last and were apprised of the need of taking essential steps to prevent the spread of coronavirus in Kaziranga. Foreign tourists visiting Kaziranga and staying in different hotels and resorts were advised to go for health checkup at Kohora Model Hospital if necessary to avoid any spread of coronavirus, report said. The Madhya Pradesh governor has asked Speaker Narmada Prasad Prajapati to hold a floor test tomorrow, days after 22 Congress MLAs resigned, putting in danger Kamal Nath 15-month-old government. According to reports, the Congress has shifted all its MLAs to Bhopal ahead of tomorrow's floor test mandated by the governor. The MLAs were lodged at a resort in Jaipur. Chief Minister Kamal Nath has recalled a cabinet meeting today. Last week, 22 Congress MLAs had resigned, pushing the 15-month-old Kamal Nath government to the brink of collapse. The MLAs loyalists of Jyotiraditya Scindia, whose change came from the BJP to Congress, are currently at a resort in Bengaluru. The direction came after the Speaker accepted the resignation of 6 rival ministers, which brought down the majority mark in the State Assembly to 113, 2 less than the number of MLAs currently supporting the Congress. Two of the EU's biggest states, Spain and France, have followed Italy in announcing emergency restrictions to combat the spread of the coronavirus. According to reports in Spain, people are banned from leaving home except for buying essential supplies and medicine or for work. With 191 deaths, Spain is Europe's worst hit country after Italy. In France, where 91 people have died, cafes, restaurants, cinemas and most shops are now shut. Italy, which has recorded more than 1,440 deaths, began a nationwide lockdown on Monday. And now let's move to the sports news. ATK lifted the Indian Super League ISL trophy for the record 3rd time following a 3-1 win against Chennai FC in the final held at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium last night. Javier Hernandez and Edu Gracia put ATK in the driving seat, but Nerijus Balkis reduced their advantage to set up a tense end to the contest. Hernandez recorded another in injury time 90+4 to confirm a record 3rd title. The final was off to a blistering start as Andre Scambri made a good run to the byline on the right in the first minute and found Rafael Crivellaro in the center with a good cross. Scambri threatened again minutes later, this time with a pass to Balkis, who shot hit the crossbar. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. UCM demands Manipur titular king Lesemba Sanajauba to quit title. Moray still stands. HTC demands removal of police commandos from the town. And 218 Indians from coronavirus hit Italy land in Delhi will be quarantined for 14 days. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.